We're gonna open something. We're gonna open these. I don't know what's this, but this is my mom's. This is actually my mom's. I'm just gonna let you go. I don't have anything, so I'm gonna use my scissors. Okay, we opened it. Okay. Okay, guys, I don't know what happened. Okay, maybe I have to cut it more or something, whatever. Oh, there we go. And one more. There. Got the instructions. Let's go. Oh, ouch. What is this? Don't tell me I have to assemble this, or else I am gonna freak out. Okay, I don't have to assemble it. Okay, this is actually, I don't know. I don't know what is this hidden thing. Oh. What in the world are you, boy? Wait, I thought that this has a handle. Is this supposed to be a handle? Oh! Wait, how do you do this again? What the? Maybe I have to do it more. Mamacita! Okay, maybe not. Here. Okay, good. What? Maybe I have to. Ma, help me. Oh, there. So I still have to remove. I think this is supposed to be an iron, but oh wait, I already remember. I don't know why did they added this, because it's too hard to like make the handle though. So this is actually iron, so you can put water here. Okay, the video is almost ending. Okay, this you have to put water here or hot water, whatever. And you can like, if there's like smoke, you can press this button and then it will create smoke, whatever, or hot, whatever. So we're done. Bye, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna test this out later or tomorrow because I have school.